The question arises why this SIR was not raised before the parliamentary elections. It is very clear that the BJP is trying to get their own agenda into the picture, by wherein they are trying to select the voters. This is nothing but a process where they are trying to exclude non-BJP vote and ensure that only BJP vote comes into the picture. They are excluding the people who don't have, who are working hard and who are going to other states for their lively beings, who are unable to come back in time to even register this process, to undergo this process. In a large country like India, especially Bihar, the processes will take time. And BJP is trying to squeeze in these SIR kind of things where they are trying to ensure that the BJP vote bank increases and non-BJP vote bank decreases. This is completely undemocratic, and that is why we are trying to raise our voice. Another important issue is what you are seeing in the parliament. Our LOP is trying to speak from yesterday. Whenever he is trying to address something, trying to raise these issues of national urgency, the speaker is simply not allowing or giving time to our leader of opposition, which is really a disgrace to the whole democratic functioning of our parliament. This is why we are trying to protest, and we are trying to ensure that the voice of the common man is heard in the parliament. If that is not being happening, then there is no essence of democracy.
The Vice President has resigned from his post yesterday. You must have seen the tweets.
Absolutely. Yesterday you all have seen how ferociously our Vice President was in the session. But by the time evening came, he cited unhealthy reasons and